God is love. First John chapter 4 verse 8. He who does not love does not know God, for God is love. God's essence is love, not merely something he does, but who he is. Everything he says and does flow from this perfect love. When we reflect on God's nature, we encounter a love that is unconditional and eternal. His love isn't earned, it's freely given. This divine love isn't based on our performance or worthiness. It remains steady, even when we fail. Understanding God's love reshapes our view of ourselves. We are not rejected or forgotten, we are deeply cherished. His love invites us into a relationship, not religion. It's about closeness, not compliance. The more we receive His love, the more we reflect it. True transformation happens in the presence of divine affection. God's love casts out fear and replaces it with confidence and rest. We are safe in His embrace, no matter the season. Today, let your heart rest in the truth that God loves you simply because it's His nature to do so. You are seen, known, and loved, fully and forever. Thanks for watching. If you are blessed by this video, please don't forget to like and comment. Feel free to share with someone who needs God's grace right now. Kindly subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified, and watch other inspirational videos like this.